Dear parent, your word do not actually have to cram mathematics. Your word can also become mathematics. We are positioned to make your word fall in love with mathematics, make mathematics very accessible to them. So if you have any child in basic 4, basic 5 or basic 6, I want to recommend that you also recommend these videos to them. They are going to learn, and even those in the junior schools, the senior schools can also learn from this. Learning is always a continuum. I remain my humble self, Olaniyi Akinwole, and once again I want to welcome you to our mathematics clinic. I remember I said I want to show you how the area of a rhombus is also half the product of the diagonals. Now we said a diagonal is a line that runs from both ends. So one, we say let diagonal AB, let's call it let's say P, and also let diagonal AC is P, and let diagonal BD be equal to Q. So we consider this diagonal as P, and we consider this diagonal as D. If this is the center of the rhombus, therefore we will know that length BO is going to be half of BD. And if BD was Q, then that means line BO is going to be half of Q. Also, if we say length AC is P, then that means AO is going to be half of AC. Therefore, AO is going to be half of P. Remember that we said AC is the same thing as P. Then BD is Q. So BO is half of Q and AO is half of P. So this is half of BD and this is half of AC. Now from our right angle triangle, if we bring this out, this is OC, right? So OC is also half of AC, and that is half of P, and this is half of Q. From our basic understanding of right angle triangle, we said we have area as half base times height. Half base times height. From this right angle, we initially said our area is 4 half base times height. So this is our base and this is our height. So we have 4 multiplied by half of what? Now what is our base? Half of P. And what is our height? Half of Q. So if the right angle triangle is half base times height, and our base is half of P, and our height is half of Q, so we substitute this into what we have here. Now 4 times half will give us 2. So 2 into half of P multiplied by half of Q. 2 times half, that means 2 times 1 over 2 will give us 1 of P multiplied by half of Q. Half times 1 becomes 1 over 2 into P and Q. Remember we said the diagonal of AC was P and the diagonal of BD was Q. What have we gotten? That the area is also half multiplied by P and Q. I believe you understand this.